Hello everyone, welcome to CUET Current Affairs episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, what is the name of the newly discovered species of freshwater fish in the Brahmaputra river near Dibrugarh, Assam? A. Pethia dibrugarhensis, B. Pethia assamensis, C. Pethia bengalensis, D. Pethia gangasi. The correct answer is option A. Pethia dibrugarhensis, the new species discovered in the Brahmaputra river near Dibrugarh, Assam, has been named Pethia dibrugarhensis. Next question is, where was the great hornbill, Malaria CUET, spotted recently? A. Athirapalli, B. Parambiculam, C. Kakkampara, D. 𝗕lie𝗨𝗘𝗧. The correct answer is option C. Kakkampara. The great hornbill was spotted in the coastal belt of Kakkampara, near 𝗕cie Mata in Kannur, an area far from its usual forested habitats. Next question is, which institution was highlighted for leading the Center of Excellence for AI in Agriculture? A. IIT Kanpur, B. IIT Ropar, C. IIT Bombay, D. IIT Madras. The correct answer is option B. IIT Ropar. IIT Ropar was noted for its leadership in establishing the Center of Excellence for AI in Agriculture, underscoring the importance of AI in improving agricultural practices. Next question is, how many medium-altitude, long-endurance male drones is India planning to procure? A. 50, B. 87, C. 100, D. 120. The correct answer is option B. 87. India is accelerating the procurement of 87 male drones to enhance surveillance along its sea and land borders as part of a security strategy. Next question is, what does Article 326 of the Constitution of India guarantee? A. Right to freedom of speech, B. Right to a fair trial, C. Right to vote based on adult suffrage, D. Right to work. The correct answer is option C. Right to vote based on adult suffrage. Article 326 guarantees the right to vote in elections to the Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies based on universal adult suffrage, meaning every citizen aged 18 and above has the right to vote. Next question is, what products are primarily affected by the Carbon Border Adjustment Mechanism, CBAM? A. Consumer electronics, B. Steel and cement, C. Textiles and garments, D. Agricultural products. The correct answer is option B. Steel and cement. CBAM primarily targets products like steel and cement, which are manufactured through processes that contribute to higher carbon emissions compared to European production methods. Next question is, what is the name of the joint sea exercise that will be conducted between the Indian Coast Guard and the Japan Coast Guard? A. Sea Wave, B. Operation Pacific, C. Jaa Mata, D. Indo-Japan Maritime Collaboration. The correct answer is option C. Jaa Mata. The joint sea exercise between the Indian Coast Guard and the Japan Coast Guard is named Jaa Mata, meaning see you later in Japanese. Next question is, how long did the two hot tests of Gaganyaan service module propulsion system last? A. 30 seconds and 60 seconds, B. 30 seconds and 100 seconds, C. 60 seconds and 120 seconds, D. 100 seconds and 200 seconds. The correct answer is option B. 30 seconds and 100 seconds. The two tests were conducted for 30 seconds and 100 seconds, respectively, as part of the validation process for the propulsion system. Next question is, how long had it been since the last consecration of the Subramanya Swamy temple before the recent ceremony? A. 10 years, B. 12 years, C. 20 years, D. 16 years? The correct answer is option D. 16 years. The consecration ceremony was organized after a gap of 16 years. Last question is, which company developed the first drug to treat malaria in babies and very young children? A. Pfizer, B. GlaxoSmithKline, C. Merck, D. Novartis? The correct answer is option D. Novartis developed Quartum Baby, the first drug to treat malaria in babies and very young children. Now it's time for practice question. According to a new study, which region poses the greatest risk of volcanic eruptions due to melting glaciers and ice caps? A. North America, B. West Antarctica, C. Iceland, D. New Zealand? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.